Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we are working on this Audi A6 wing mirror. It's a 2017 A6 van. It's got dynamic indicators at the front, it's got dynamic indicators at the rear, but what it doesn't have is dynamic indicators in the wing mirrors. So we've come across an aftermarket product, a bit like our Bang & Olufsen pop-up tweeters, the aftermarket kit that we've got for that as well, where we can change this from a normal flash like this. So you can see at the moment it's a normal flashing indicator, there's no scrolling whatsoever, just literally pulses on and off. And also you can see here as well that it's sort of a clear lens, so it looks sort of obvious that it's an indicator. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip forward, and this is all going to be changed nice and clean, and you're going to see a nice dynamic scrolling indicator. And what we'll do is I'll do a quick walk around afterwards of all the indicators going off, so you can see the front, the rears, the sides, and it should look pretty awesome. So keep tuned. Right, we're all done and dusted. So first and foremost, you'll be able to see we've got this new sleeker, darker tint indicator in, which on its own is pretty cool anyway. So this was the existing indicator, and as you can see it's a white looking, I think it's the other way around actually, but never mind. But it gives you the idea, it's a white version compared to a smoke version, and it looks quite sleek. So what we'll do is we'll turn on the hazard lights. And there you go, nice scrolling motion to go with the front matrix LEDs and the rear dynamic lights. So this car is now all the way around got dynamic indicators, and for an aftermarket product it's actually really cool. I'm just going to quickly turn the lights off so you can see what it's like at night. And there you go, that's the dynamic indicators. It keeps in speed with the rest of the indicators, and we'll just pop the lights back on. It keeps in speed with the other indicators, and you can see it all nice and neatly. So what I'll do is I'll quickly move the camera and I'll just do an overall view of the car so you can see all the lights going off at the same time. Okay, so hopefully you can see we've got the front matrix LED lights going off, and it keeps really in keeping with the dynamic wing mirror indicators now. It looks so awesome. Really impressed with it. It's a really good bit of kit, and it just finishes the car off nicely, and you're not got any weird alternating amber lighting. It's all in keeping with itself. I'll just quickly turn the lights off so that you can see what it's like at night. Hopefully you can see that, and then we'll just pop the lights back on again, and all done and dusted. So yeah, really nice bit of kit, super impressed with the quality, and it just looks like it should have done from factory. I like that smoked tint, and obviously we've got that dynamic ability as well. So if you want to get this sorted for your car, it's available across the range of the Audi, so the A3s, the A4, A5, Q5, A6 and A7. The newest shape TT is coming soon, along with the newest shape A4 and A5. But if you want any more information, then just let us know in the comments and the videos below, or ping us a message. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and thanks for watching.